One poor boy lived near a beautiful lake, but one day his life changed forever.
The garden is growing so well, Amir. I love helping, Mama.
That's my boy, a bright heart indeed.
In a quiet village near Green Hills lived a boy named Amir. Amir was not rich. Every morning he woke up early. He helped his mother in the garden. He had a kind heart. Amir believed that helping family was important. One evening, the sky became very dark. Strong wind moved through the village. Suddenly, he heard a weak sound in the storm. A small child from the village was standing near the road. The child was lost and afraid.
Hold my hand tight. We'll get through this.
It's so wet and cold.
I know. Just a bit further.
Okay.
But Amir carefully held the child's hand and walked slowly back to the village. That night many people talked about Amir's brave heart. Days passed. Something special began to happen in the village. Amir didn't change the world with power. He changed it with kindness. More children started helping their parents. Neighbors began helping each other more often. Parents spoke about him with respect. The story about Amir spread quickly in the village.